workforce analytics trend transforming one into real-time, many workforce analytics initiatives begin as consulting projects. There is a formulated question: how do our employees experience their journey? Many people are interviewed, data is gathered, and with the help of the outside consultants, an excellent report is written. The employee journey is being redesigned through a variety of follow-up projects, gathering feedback from candidates, employees, and other relevant groups once is nice, but it might be more beneficial to gather feedback more often, perhaps even in real time. People analytics to workforce analytics. According to current opinion, people analytics seem to be better labeled than HR analytics. More and more, the workforce consists of more than just people. Robots and chatbots are becoming more prevalent. The first legal discussions have begun. Who is liable for the actions of the robots? By analyzing robots and people, we are moving from people analytics to workforce analytics. Human resources can claim robot well-being and productivity, a more transparent process without mentioning General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). This overview of workforce analytics trends would be incomplete. Many positive developments are coming out of the GDPR, one of which is more transparency. How people data is collected, how is it used, how algorithms are used to make decisions about them. Companies need to make processes that enable employees to erase their data, since the maximum fines mentioned in the regulation are steep and there is no jurisdiction on this topic. Employees are hesitant to take the next step in workforce analytics. Additionally, data ownership is a concern. Employees are expected to stop accepting that they cannot own their data. Potential following employers should see evidence of employee productivity and engagement from their data. Focus on productivity. Productivity has not been much of a focus in recent years. There are signs of change on the horizon. Traditionally, capacity problems have been solved by hiring new employees instead of hiring new staff. Improve the selection criteria and focus more on increasing the productivity of existing employees. You can use workforce analytics to identify the characteristics of top performers and the conditions that facilitate their success. In addition to increasing productivity, these findings cannot be used to select candidates with the qualities of top performers. Productivity increases when you need fewer people to accomplish the same tasks. Top-down approaches have flaws. There's still a tendency to implement changes top-down. A good example is performance management. In many organizations, changing the performance management process is an organization-wide issue, and HR is responsible for finding a uniform solution. Employers are expected to take more initiative due to the customization of HR. Employees increasingly want to be independent of organizational initiatives and are tired of waiting for the organization and HR to do so. Instead of promoting standardized and approved channels, HR might follow the flow and tap into the media being used. What can workforce analytics learn from data gathered by employees' own devices? If employees are clear about the benefits of sharing their data, they may help enrich the data sets and improve the quality of workforce analytics.